Hey, what's up guys? Hope everyone's doing great. Let me turn the camera around and show you what I'm up to. So in today's video, we're going to be going over tape failure, why it happens, and how to repair it. So as you can see, there's a crack pretty much end to end, the entirety of the drywall panel. So this is one whole sheet right here. There's gonna be another one right here, one right here. You can kind of see the seam. Let's get a little closer so we can. There it is. So yeah, a complete failure, and it only really happened. There you go. So let me zoom back out. Complete failure, and it only happened in the upstairs. This is a two-story house. This closet is one sheet wide, so there's no seams. But all the other rooms, the same thing. In every room, complete failure of the seam. So the reason that happens is, since this is a two-story, they didn't start requiring insulation here in Oahu till, I want to say, early 90s. So there's no insulation in the attic. And what tends to happen is the tape, when you originally put it, there's mud behind the tape and it bonds to the drywall. But over time, with the heat, it over cures, becomes brittle, and all the adhesion gets lost. And that's what starts to happen. So we're gonna go ahead and pull all of this down. An easy way to do it is pre-cut all your corners with a blade. And then look how easy this comes off. The reason you pre-cut is so when you get to this edge, it comes off, you don't damage the wall. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take it all down, then we'll go through how you can fix it. Okay, hello. Alright guys, so I forgot to record the steps, but pretty much what I did was fiberglass, 20-minute hot mud, and one coat of +3. This is what it's going to look like sanded. I'm about to sand that ceiling right there, but what you're going to want to do after you sand it is you can vaguely see the outline because it's a texture. You're going to get a wet sponge and just kind of massage it off. That way you minimize the dust. There's no dust.